Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kariti Academy of Visual Arts haka arpu pratrek unopra jong snam arjaka khandai. Kalapan ko burom da ka baai kusnam yau Dr. Devraj Debbarma. Halor ki jing treshi tom jong u haka baidei barka kamshandor ye ki dom kiwa jong ka jala Meghalaya. Ki bakreng hadu kata-kata ye ki pajba ki babun bat kham tam e ban kan tiru ye ki kam jong kai pathai haka ni ka jala. Yakani ka kusnam latem kum ka Crystal Gale Memorial Award 2019 for Excellence in Visual Arts. But haka jelang pun koburam haka ni gasngi laidon langru u director jong katnat tourism jong ka sarkar Meghalaya u ba Cyril VD Dingdo ringkat ki bahi yang hasam jong ka samla Crystal Gale Kharnayor bam kwai hadwar ublay u chairman jong ka Riti Academy of Visual Arts u ba Rafael Waljri u ba Langku Parwar bat ka Dr. Madeline Whiteham kabalong ka convener jong ka Indian National Trust for Arts and Cultural Heritage Meghalaya chapter. Kumachu kadaw hangni u Dr. Devraj Debbarma u de unokshandor u balayok priangru yaki kusnam na kislam trekam baperoper bakantom na ka India Photography Awards.in na ka Nisai Filters India na ka DJ Memorial bat na ki wiki kinhon. Idor ki ba u Dr. Devraj Debbarma u lasyan hakalang ki jaka la penmi ru haki journals bapawnam kum ka Smart Photography bat ki wiki way. U Dr. Devraj Debbarma u de ubalayo alat ru banshandor lengba ka aerial photography bat ka astro photography. Hakani gasngi u Dr. Devraj Debbarma ulapan ipaj baru ya artali ki video bala ai kerteng Nongstoin Shillong Cherry Blossom bat ka waypat ka bala ai kerteng A Glimpse of Meghalaya. Ka bala peniap be hadu kata-kata iki bor sensar jong ka jela ban pentep ba ka jela Meghalaya kadon kerhai yaki jeka ki ba ithiang bat kadon kamru yaki la jingeda.
Kung kailasan wa banda bangsa kumari ini jinglet pada jungi ini jinggot lang bada kan ni bang nila ini jinga ai pada jungi ikino ki badan kisah pun prepare hakano bukan la liang jong ka arts yang ba nila ini jinga ai pada jungi kumi pija award haka tenjungi
and started his actual journey in photography since July 2017. He belongs to the medical profession in Shillong, and after marriage, he was sincerely in love with both his inspiring wife and the soothing landscapes of Meghalaya.
Award today to Dr. Devraj Debbarma, the Crystal Gale Memorial Award for the year 2019, and we've just seen the breathtaking work of Dr. Devraj, the beautiful photographs of our state, and really it's an honor for me to present this award, which has been instituted by the parents of late Crystal Gale in her memory. It's really a befitting tribute to have an award of such a nature in memory of late Crystal, who herself was, I'm told, a dramatist. I never had the good fortune of meeting her, but I know about Raphael, Rembrandt, Refulgent, right from my school days, in fact, and really it's befitting in the sense of the great work that Riti Academy has been doing to promote the visual arts in the state of Meghalaya. And really this award today that has been given to Dr. Devraj through a selection process is really something really wonderful and remarkable, and I must say truly deserving. So both the award in terms of the memory of late Crystal Gale and the recipient of the 2019 award, I think the audience here has really seen the wonderful work that Dr. Devraj has been doing over the past 3 years in taking breathtaking visuals of beautiful landscapes of our beautiful state.